Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I made this up and it's really trending on social media, so I decided to try it. Short little video of whipped coffee, but it's super delicious. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through it. So we're going to kick things off here with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And you can use the coffee of your choice. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of hot water. And I'm going to use my electric mixer. You can use a whisk as well. And I'm going to mix this up just like me for about 5 minutes or so, until it thickens and you've got fairly stiff peaks. So I'm going to start with low and then go to high. Next up, we're going to put some ice cubes into a glass, some milk, and we're going to fill this, I'd say maybe half, 2/3 full. Then of course, our whipped coffee. I'm just going to spatula this in. Oh my goodness guys, you're going to love this. Like you could actually add a dust of cinnamon over top if you wanted. Now, like I say, the cinnamon is optional, but I really like it. And there you have it, guys, our whipped coffee. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and stir things up a little and give this a taste test. Absolutely delicious, guys. I love the coffee, the milk. You gotta try this. You're gonna love it. If you're a coffee lover and want to be awake all night, definitely make some of this. I'm hyper now. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff, drinks, meals, everything over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.